Got this from Amazon today. It's a 26-piece RC toolkit. It was, I think, 99 bucks. Let's see, or 89 bucks. This is it right here. Let's take it over to the bench. Let's see if it's less glare. You got, what is this guy? Actually, this is the body reamer. Body reamer. This is pretty sharp. It's a tool for bearings, to push bearings out. Body reamer first. Bearings next. We got a little pair of snips with a spring there. It's nice, they bounce right back. Needle nose, same spring in there. This is going to be that home. These guys right here. These are ball link pliers. Ball link pliers. Oh, let's see, we'll put those down here. I'm going to use those a lot less. I'm going to use these and those. Diagonals, cutters. We got diagonal cutters, needle nose, ball link pliers. A pair of scissors. Put them up with my other scissors. Little 4-size hex. Shock clamp pliers. Three millimeter, 3.5, 4. Now we got a 8 millimeter nut driver, 7 millimeter nut driver, 7 millimeter nut driver, 5.5 millimeters nut driver, 4 millimeter nut driver. And we got some screwdrivers. All right. 2 Phillips, 2 flat, 3 and 4 millimeter Phillips, and a 3 and 4 millimeter flat. Now we got a hex. Got 3 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter hex, 2 millimeter hex, and the 1.5 millimeter hex. All of these are adjustable. I believe with the 2 millimeter hex right inside here like this. Take it out, replace it, do whatever you gotta do with it. It's slotted. Yeah, they are slotted. Make sure when you put it back, probably, you can see, so you can make it shorter if you want to. In case you gotta reach in a certain spot. Just tighten those down. 2 millimeter. Wonder what you do with that one. It's not the 1.5.
Don't know how you, it's kind of a poor design. I don't know how you adjust the 2mm one. You have to have another 2mm. Case comes in. Oh, we got this here too. Camber gauge. This is for the camber on the tires. There we go. And this also came with this guy right here, which you have to assemble. I already assembled it. Adjustable stand. See the height. I had to grease it up a little bit. It was a little squeaky when I first got it. But it's got little soft pads here. A ruler here. Just for some perspective when you're doing anything. You got the camber gauge, stand, case, little hex driver, shock pliers. Oh, came with this guy too. Little open end wrench. Alright, and that's that. There's the case. And I'll put a link to this. You know, not bad. I'll give you an update on after I use it for a few weeks. See how things go.